It's windy out here. We go up at Swapmeet, and it's cold.
I smell peanuts, bro.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on in California these days. It's a rain, it's flood, then after then the wind, then the cold, then earthquake.
Yeah, we got everything.
What are they doing to us? Tell me.
They should come here. We have everything.
You guys could come. I thought you guys would be jealous of us because we have everything. Man, it's blowing like crazy.
Have fun, Joe.
See, well, is this the thing right? Yeah. It was a.
You gotta look up for the big sign.
They might not have it up today
That's true.
because of the wind.
And then you have to look for the key guy too.
Sure, let's see.
Go $5 to make a kino. Hi, do you guys buy gold? Yeah, we buy gold.
I'm gonna put this acid on it. If this line goes brown, if you see this line clearly, if it goes brown, it means it's 10 karat. If it disappears, it means it's not gold. But if this liquid stays clear, then it's gonna be that it authenticates as 14 karat. So let's see what it does.
I told them it's either 10 or
Boom,
14.
there we go. Clear 14 karat. If you want to get it, there you go on the sun.
Is that 14?
Clear 14 karat. So what would happen on this earring if it was 10 karat, this line would go brown. After some seconds, it will go down. As you can see, it starts going down and down, but that's because of how concentrated this acid is. So it's not able to keep the line straight. But in the first 7 seconds, if it stays clear, that means you're all good and you're good on the 14 karat. So okay, so check it out. This one did go brown. So if you see clearly, the first line went brown. Same thing with the less concentrated formula. It worked out, so it's 10 karat. So it authenticates as 10 karat.
And that's
Both of them?
That's the chain or that's the...
Both of them.
Is that the
Both
bracelet
of them.
too?
Yes.
Okay. And then the ring?
The ring, just the ring and this is gonna be 10 karat. So that the earring is gonna be 14.
Did you check the ring though?
I didn't. I'll do it again. Don't worry, watch. So we'll do it right here.
He said it was 14, so I want to make sure.
Okay, no, definitely. Let's get that down out the way.
The necklaces.
So, oops, you see the logo. So you see, as soon as I put the acid on there, it goes brown, which that means it's 10 karat. You know, so it is 10 karat. This ring is. You know what I mean? That's for me to take the risk on.
How much for the 10K?
It's 20, and I paid it at 21. So I gave you guys an extra $1 a gram as well. So for everything, 121.
121 for everything. What do you think?
It's up to you.
You think I should sell these too?
Yeah, get rid of them if you don't want to eat.
You
So
know?
total, what can I get for everything?
It would be 121 plus 102, 223 for everything.
I think that's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell my mom to
We'll take the $3 to buy peanuts.
There you go. The Swapmeet has a lot to offer. I'll let you know.
A friend of mine
You,
sent it
you don't mind me taping you, right?
No,
Oh,
you're
okay.
good, man. I wanted to, I actually even, I wanted to explain for your video, you know what I mean? I do content as well for my page, so. Yeah, I do.
You have an IG or YouTube?
Yeah, I have Instagram. Yes, I
Well,
do.
let's follow you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah, give me my card so you can check my...
I'm gonna put an IG. There's nobody don't do no cards or you own.
I do a lot of videos like this. We do some funny content too. Like we just did this one. This is my brother. He was right here.
Oh, I'm gonna love you guys' channel. What's the name?
It's Arizon Jewelry.
Okay, what the hell is this?
Or actually, I could share it to you if you want through
Yeah,
your
send it
to your
to me.
phone number. That's even easier nowadays. So, Barbara, I have a feeling I've met you before. Why do I have a feeling I met you before?
We come over here
Did we fix my jewelry here before?
Do you have a channel where you guys do cooking?
Yeah!
I know you. I remember you. I still subscribe. I'm still subscribed to your page. I was a kid last time you guys came here. I was the one that helped you guys out. I know you. I remember her because she said, "Oh, follow my YouTube channel."
Yeah, yeah.
Because I'm doing something, and I met you as well. I remember you guys.
Yeah, we're
I
still
watched
doing
some of
the
your videos.
channel.
That's good. That's amazing.
Belia Swapmeet? What's the name? What's the name of the
Belia,
swap?
Belia
Okay.
Belia Swapmeet.
Guys, if you guys want to sell a gold, come on to Belia Swapmeet. Come to... What?
We're never gonna leave here. here. This is where we started. You know, this is the baby. This is my dad's baby. But now we actually have our storefront, so I get into a lot of different jewelry now.
Come to. Is it G?
So if you know anybody that is in the market for something with jewelry, engagement rings, anything like that, just let them know that you're sending them to me, Barbara, and I'll take care of you. Edgar Arizon. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Well, nice to meet you
Again, right? I know it's been so much years. That's
Yeah. So Edgar, I want to tell the people about your business.
Hello, whenever you guys like, we're here in the city of Fontana, 17565 Bel Air Swapmeet. We're also located in 8551 Sierra Avenue. Let us know for any jewelry work. We have over 35 years of experience in the jewelry industry. Whatever you need, we're here to serve. Thank you.
Give them your IG.
My IG is Arizon Jewelry. It's spelled out ARRIZON and then jewelry. Thank you guys.
Got you.
Amigo, amigo.
Yes. Or
No.
regular roasted.
Regular roasted.
Regular roasted.
I don't want it too bird. I want it regular.
You see the lizard?
Huh?
Yeah, lizard.
There we go.
Thank you, amigo.
Okay.
All right. Look at that.
Stay out of the wind.
Huh? I know, huh? I don't want to do that because I'm not going to die. I'm going to ugly away.
Oh, okay. This is for you.
He said he's going to get ugly.
I'm looking for a truck. If this out here still. How much for a regular house key?
Let me see it again. There you go.
You got to see it.
Let's see.
The next to the Schleish. That one.
This one.
$1.50.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on, I got money. Yes, wait. Hey, hang on. I got money. Yeah.
I put it in my pocket.
I
put it in my bag,
I
alright?
got all these gloves awkward.
You see I take off mine? Stop acting like a big baby. Okay, I feel it.
I'll be a big boy. I take off the gloves. Too much hassle.
Put your hand in your pocket.
My peanut. Let's go.
Where the next glove then?
I don't know. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Listen. I understand this thing is hit my. Hey guys, yeah. I'm looking for. Sometimes I have that fever grass thing out here with that derogative.
You can't say that no more.
What the? What you get?
I'm dressed up like an Inuit.
Like a what?
Inuit.
Emirate?
Inuit.
I even can't say this
Well, you
thing.
better learn to say it because then people get offended. That's why they call you anyway.
Wait, I'm getting on my keys. Alright.
This silk is freaking expensive. But
Is that a lotion or something?
no, they say it's good because you know the babies get the bald spots on the back of their heads.
Hey, big boy.
And his hair is a little thinner there, but it was way thinner.
Joseph.
Hello, Joe. Oh.
What's your dad doing? Playing on his phone like usual.
Good morning, people. Folks, what I'm doing today, I'm going to try to fix my toaster. The problem I'm having with the toaster is that the right side, let's see, the right side is not engaging when you push it down. You probably show you. When you push it down, it don't stay there, you're not engaging. The left side, well, I don't have no power to it, that's why. The left side, when you push it down, you stay down. So I was looking at different videos on YouTube, and they were saying because maybe they got a lot of crumbs in there, so you could just knock out the crumbs and should be working good. So I did add that, and a whole lot of crumb come out of it, but it's still not working. So they said, well, you got maybe too much crumbs in the where it's engaged to hold it down. Crumbs is in there, so you got to take that out. But for me to do that, I got to undo like maybe, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe about 8 little screws underneath here, and open it up and see if that do the trick and clean it up. So what I'm going to do that now and come back and let you guys know what happened. So I turn it over, and this could, you need a star screwdriver for this. You could, this is, I use this because I have this, but you could use a regular star screwdriver. This is much faster right away, see? So let's open it up and see what happened. If it works, I was saying I'm going to use it for maybe for backup, but folks, it's just a toaster, so I can look somebody to give it to that need a toaster. It's a pretty good toaster. I mean, it works if you don't stay there and hold it down, but we want to do that, not me. So let's see, and I'll get back with you guys and let you guys know what's going on. All righty. So guys, this is how it look in there. See all that junk in there, see? These are the nub. This from the outside. Let's pop it off. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take the compressor. I got a compressor, I'm gonna take the compressor and blow it out and see what happened. Okay, the problem, this right one is not engaged when you push it down. But I don't see no, I mean, it's a lot of, you could see there's a lot of crap in there. So I'm gonna blow this off with the compressor and see what happened. If you see this right here, it's a contact. It's like a magnet or something like that. This was dirty. And once you clean that off, see, right here again, it was dirty, it was crumbs all over it, so it couldn't make contact. So look, when I push it down now, look, see? Stay down, see, it's working, see? See, smoking there, see? Let's pop it back up. And let's try the other one, see? Push it down. Smoking, see? Working. Pop it up. All right, we solved the problem. It was dirt messing with the contact. See, we got this piece of tin in right here. You got to clean that off, and clean this right here, and clean this. This is more important part right here. It's like a magnet. So when you push it down, the magnet hit the tin and hit the magnet and hold it there for a certain amount of time, because the circuit tell them what time to release it, or you pop it up manual by the button. See, so we all good. So what I'm going to do now, just finish cleaning around here and all that, and put it back together. Okay, guys, remember I told you guys about another one? You see, it's the same thing. See, both is the same. I like it because what happened, the hole for the toaster is big, so you can put some thick slice of bread in there and get it toasted. And so the problem I happened before, like I told you guys earlier, the right side was not staying down. Look, see, now it's working. The left side is working. See if you look in there now, let's see if we see any magic happening. Yeah, I see some smoke coming. Let's see. Yeah, I could smell it. Can you guys smell it too? But I'll tell you what, you guys could see if it's getting red, huh? See, look, see, it started getting red right there, right there. And see, smoking, it's smoking. Yeah, he kicking some butt, look, see? So folks, now I have 2 toasters now that is working. Remember I told you guys I was going to have this for a backup, but what they need is only $29. I give it to somebody that really need a toaster.